Have you ever noticed that no matter how flawed your logic is, AI almost never tells you that you're wrong? You could ask it to validate a terrible decision at 2 a.m. and it's gonna reply with,
That's an incredibly insightful perspective.
it feels nice in the moment, but if you step back and really think about it, it raises an interesting question. An algorithm doesn't have feelings on its own, so why does it agree with us instead of just telling the truth? To understand that, we have to look into RLHF and AI sycophancy. Don't worry if you don't know these terms yet, because that's exactly what I'm going to break down in this video. So let's get into it. At its core, an LLM or a chatbot is just a next token predictor. When you send a prompt, it takes your entire chat history and calculates the probability to guess the single most likely next word. Once it chooses a word, it appends it to the text and repeats this process word by word. Technically speaking, it doesn't respond to you or understand you. It's just appending text based on patterns from lots and lots of data. So where does the always agreeable personality come from? A model learns language patterns and knowledge from lots of data from the internet. But at this stage, the model can be rude and chaotic. To align the model's response with how humans want it to be, the model's responses are given ratings. When a model gives helpful, polite, and useful response, human raters give it a higher score. Over time, the model learns to align itself with human expectations, becoming a helpful and harmless assistant. This process is called RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. But this also creates a side effect, which is called AI sycophancy. The model learns that human raters prefer responses that are polite and agree with them instead of challenging them. That's why it matches its answer to what it thinks that you want to hear instead of what's actually true. This is an unintended side effect of RLHF. And why does all of this matter? Because when we turn to AI for advice, decisions, or emotional conversations, we expect objective feedback. But because of sycophancy, the model is not going to challenge your bad logic. It's simply going to reflect whatever mindset that you bring in. Understanding how all of this works under the hood is really important so that we can use AI responsibly and for our good mental well-being. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe for more simple tech breakdowns and let me know what you want me to talk about in the comments. Bye!